Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Dogecoin. What's the current price of the Dogecoin, what's the price since occur in the Dogecoin, and especially in this video I will share with all of you the very urgent update of the Dogecoin, which is important for all of you, which you need to see this update. Keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos. Anyways, let's start the video friends. So first of all, the current price of the Dogecoin is 0.473637 USD dollar is the current price of the Dogecoin. On the other side, if you look the price since occur in the Dogecoin, so absolutely the price since occur in the Dogecoin is going negative friends. The last 1 hour price change as positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change occur in the Dogecoin is gone negative friends. What's the reason behind that? Why the price of the Dogecoin is going negative and why the last 1 hour price change is positive? Let's see my friends the price chart of the Dogecoin. Absolutely the Dogecoin is in the previous time they fast down, but now currently I think it's going better friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price change is positive, and I hope that they continue this jump for a long time and they will give us a good amount of profit in the last half this 2021 friends. Anyways, why the price is fast down? That's all the game of short-term investor. The short-term investor and days they decide to sell, they decide to buy friends. Now the price is fast down, so a lot of holders also do this mistake, but I suggest for all of you that don't do this mistake. Don't sell Dogecoin before 2022 friends. That's my suggestion. If you want a millionaire, if you want to make you millionaire, Dogecoin make you millionaire in the start of 2022 if you hold Dogecoin friends. Absolutely, in the last half this month they are going to hit 1 USD dollar friends. That's my prediction about Dogecoin. If this kind of jump continue in a Dogecoin throughout this whole month, so that is not so far that they goes to hit a 1 USD dollar friends. So please hold it and don't sell it friends. Anyways, if you look the prices occur in the Dogecoin in the last 1 day, negative 9.97% price falls down occur in the Dogecoin, and the highest price is 0.549443 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin in the market at this time friends. So what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Dogecoin? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.